Welcome back to Nuthanakarthik's Fun Time. Today we are going to make a paper bird. For a paper bird, we need a paper which is pink and yellow in the back. If you don't have that kind, you can use pink and yellow and stick it together. And step is, we have to fold first step. We should make a square. So I'm making. My bird friends, please subscribe and like my video. For now, bye.